Hello, this is Dylan Maven, head of product over at GeoPath. I'm very excited to share with you today the newest dashboard that we have put together for our members, the impression variation dashboard and report for you to access through the GeoPath Insight Suite. Now, to do so, once you have logged into the GeoPath Insight Suite, you can come over here to the report section to view the impression variation dashboard. If you need credentials to log into the GeoPath Insight Suite, please reach out to geekout@geopath.org, and one of the GeoPath staff will be able to help you get through that, and we'll get you logged in. Once you've accessed the impression variation dashboard, there's a lot of fun stuff that you can do in here to explore the data. First thing to note, by default, you're going to see the display of the top 10 CVSAs across the country and the impression variations week over week, going all the way back to March 2nd. Now, it was right around the week of March 9th, that the stay-at-home orders and travel restrictions started taking place. State of emergency declared the week of March 16th in the United States, but regionally changes happened at different times and also with different severities. And that's one of the big reasons why we had a lot of interest in us providing this type of dashboard, so people can understand what those local changes are. So to be able to get to the local changes, you can select on the map to get a local CBSA and see the impression changes week over week by media type. You can see down here at the bottom of the report the CBSA, media type, and impression changes week over week. Again, this impression change is a percentage of the annual average forecast for 2020. So for example, bulletins in Los Angeles during the week of March 9th were delivering about 104% of the expected average. Again, that's the average across all bulletins in the CBSA for that week. This is intended to be a directional product, and so this will be really helpful to help understand the trends across the entire market. Now, if you need to, you can download the data from this. You can click on the cross tab, and that'll download a little CSV for you to import into your own Excel or whatever data platforms you need to work with. You can also download this report as an image, which is super handy if you need to put it into like a PowerPoint deck or such. That'll also include the map image and the chart at the top right. At this moment, I also want to send a big thank you to Intermix, our data enablement partners, who have helped us significantly throughout this endeavor to help us visualize and analyze the location data we've been working with. So big thank you to them. Also, a big thank you to the Insights Committee. The GeoPath Insights Committee is comprised of GeoPath member employees, volunteers that help GeoPath come up with solutions, give us direction on those solutions, and help vet the methods and data that we are producing. It's a very talented group, and we're just honored to work with them and have their time going toward this. We could not have done any of this without them. So a big thank you to the GeoPath Insights Committee members and all of the time that you committed toward this. Another way to look at the data is to look at the full US data for all markets, for every week, for every media type. You can click over here, and this is just a table view of quite a bit of information. Again, you can download this entire table as a crosstab, save it to your computer, and work with it locally. We will be providing additional guidance and training in a webinar next week. That would be Monday and Wednesday. Again, a big thank you to the GeoPath members that volunteered their time to help make this a reality. Truly appreciate all the effort that you put into this. And to all of the GeoPath members out there, be safe, stay well, and please reach out to geekout@geopath.org if you have any questions. Thank you.